How to find long tail keywords in Semrush. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. But first, to actually get started with Semrush with a 14-day pro trial instead of 7, just go down to the description. You should be able to find a link and just use that link to get a 14-day pro trial. So once you actually log into Semrush, all you need to do is just go to the SEO tab here from the left side. Scroll down until you find the keyword magic tool. This is going to help you quite a lot. So just go and select that. And in here, you basically just want to search for the base keyword that you need. Just if it's ergonomic chairs, just go and search up ergonomic chairs. Nothing more, nothing less. Next, just go and select a location and click on search. Now, in here, you're going to find plenty of different keywords. But in order to make it so that it's always a long tail keyword, first, there are two different ways. The first one is that you need to understand that usually, or most of the time, the long-tailed keywords are going to be questions. So first, we want to filter the keywords to become a question. To do so, it's very simple. You should be able to find all and questions here at the top. You simply just want to click on questions. And now you are going to pretty much almost always find a long-tail keyword. But just in case you want it to be completely full of long-tail and maybe not even questions, you can either go for questions or not. It really just depends up to you. But we can use the word counter filter. Doing so is, again, very easy. You just want to go to the advanced filters here, click on that, and set the word count from, let's just say, begins from 4 words upwards, and click on apply. And this is going to guarantee that you always find a long tail keyword in Semrush. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.